Alright, Sunday ride with the boys. With Ashley. With his NK 400. Swap mig motor. Kay sakit ang likod. And we'll do a quick review lang. How it feels. We'll do a quick review. And right now he's sporting a 160 na saan yung ligid? Corsa Pirelli ba ni? Pirelli ni? Corsa, ano say Corsa? Corsa ang brand? I thought Corsa was Pirelli. Corsa. Not familiar sa brand. But this is the V2, V1? V3. So this is the V3 NK 400. And then he'll be using my KTM RC200. And we have here Doc with his ZX25R. So he has his new tires. Congrats. His Rosso Sport 3. Very nice. So sa kami TCH right now. Walay ligo ha, may ligo. Ikaw pace? Para ma-video tika. Alright, so pila ni dagan na ning motor. 35,000 going 36. Very high seat height. So it's 724. Right, this is how it feels. I am 5'10". I can do a flat foot without even standing. I have my ass on the seat. Not a crash guard. Let me feel the clutch. Medyo gahi, braces the brake. Full tank. Okay. This the feel. Wow, it feels weird. Kunaan na jud. Sir, nami sir. I'm not used to this, so chill ride lang. Actually, naamagoy makik-swap na ako NK 400 V2. Wow, very huge difference from the RC200. You cannot replace displacement, boys. So, alright, let's try out the Liko Liko. You're at second gear. First thing I notice sa controls, medyo layuan ko sa iyahang mga signal light, and I have to go forward sa akong hand just to reach the clutch. Are we recording? Sisitag story ako, nag-record. Alright, we are. So chill lang taron. So I hate like from musod just sa traffic dito sa second lane. Oh, we're in third gear. I can hear the ZX25 behind me. Alright, is it inside? Alright. I'm really looking forward to get a naked bike. sometimes magod maka-kapoy ride sa Sunday if you're having a sports bike. Then nag-gym pa ko, boxing, and the next day kapoy na mag ride. Mag-boxing or mag-train. Like I need to recover from the ride as well. Grabe engine brake ko, first gear. Woo! I hope you can hear that ZX25R screaming. Gamyan ko sa dashboard niya. I can't really see or lakunanad lang, it's covered. Ah shit, it's covered sa para sa camera. Man. Whew. Second gear. Doon natin matest yung motor sa flickability na. I don't know any changes he made for this motorcycle aside from the stock. From the exhaust rather. Ooh, pop pop pop, pop pop pop. So si Doc he just got his Rosso Sport 3 on his motorcycle. Let's see. Okay, sa RC200 Mogod, you can really see the whole gauge. Kita jadi mo musiga pala, red line. Perlami ang feel sa 400cc compared sa 200. Ma-feel din mo engine brake, ma-feel din na umayong Ayun na. Here are the first few corners. Let's feel it. Second gear corner. Oh, nice doggy. So, di pa ta, maintain ang upper body position. Ooh. Hinaya na kong corner pa. Safety ba? I think third gear will be great. Lolo. Dili siya dayon mo shoot. Well, that took a while to accelerate. I don't want to risk anything. I think I should go third gear. let's try third gear. Okay, sa RC200, yeah, third gear. Traffic na at 7:30. Pwede na siya third gear here. Second gear medyo very torquey siya for my liking because I'm not used to it. I don't even need to brake. The shifting wise, I can't shift quick, like, I don't know how to explain it or how do you call it, pero when I put it, when I try to put it in gear, it doesn't go, it doesn't engage. Pop, pop, pop. I'm just playing on second gear pa jud. So, I tried to shift third gear. Ayun. So that's why chill lang ta kay tanaan dali yung motor ah. Scared pa siya. It's normal. These corners are not for the faint of heart. I was able to adjust with the Z1000 easier, faster. Maybe because you didn't really have to shift that much. But for this one, naglisod kog shift. So bayawan ko mag aggressive gamay cause might miss shift and wheels will spin. Okay, sa RC musuod mo dito. Relax lang sa kamot. Side mirrors are easy to look at though. Very important, especially when you're riding. Oh, it's so bouncy. Downshift. Ooh. And tank wise, I can't grip to it. Can't feel the grippiness. Traffic lagi ron Sunday. Sindagan mo adto sa ano, north kay last September 30. Oy no, you got that. Kaluoy. Let's try to shift. Okay, shoot naman. Worry pa ta sa shifting. Kasi last September 30 naglinog or we had an earthquake here sa Cebu. Ang naigo jud kusog is north of Cebu. Oh, they closed it and they're fixing it. So where does the other cars pass? Aray! Oh shit! So bouncy or stiff. Oh. Shift third gear. Ayun, pumasok. Parang I have to be really intentional. Punahan at sa motor niya. Very stiff. But so far sa likod, no, my back feels relaxed. That's the most important thing right now. Relax ang likod ko kasi guys, I need to train. I have an upcoming fight on November 15. So we don't want na di tayo maka-train tomorrow. I train 6 times a week, sometimes 5. pasok agad. Sometimes I don't trust the hand signals. I want to see it for myself, because it's still your discretion pa rin if you go. Shit, you know, di pumapasok. You have to force the turn. Yun lang, mas effort talaga mag shift tsaka liko using this. Ashley, okay na ka di Ashley, sakit na. Straight din siya, liko siya, liko. Ashley, gutom naman ko eh. Ano na, DPWH, ano na. Sakit eh.